Hello everyone, welcome back to the CSAT PYQ series. This is part 2 of a 5-part data sufficiency question set from UPSC CSAT 2026. All 5 questions follow the same set of directions. So if you find this helpful, do check out other parts as well. So before we begin, here's a quick reminder of the answer options. A states that only one statement is sufficient to answer the question. B states that either statement alone is sufficient. C states that both statements together are sufficient. D states that even both statements together are not sufficient. So now let us solve the question. The question goes like this. For two distinct real numbers x and y, which of them is bigger? So we are given two statements based on which we have to identify the correct answer option. So let us take this first statement. First statement states that x square is less than y, which is less than 1. So let us take two cases. Case 1, x is less than y. So let's take x equals to 0.5 and y equals to 0.6. So here the condition is satisfied since 0.25, which is x square, is less than 0.6, which is less than 1. So this condition is satisfied. Here x is less than y. Now let's take x greater than y. So let's take x greater than y. X will take as 0.9 and y will take as 0.85. So here x square will be 0.81, which is lesser than 0.85, which is less than 1. So here as well the condition is satisfied. So statement 1 is not sufficient to answer the question. Now let's take statement 2. So statement 2 states that y is less than root x, which is less than 1. So let's take two cases. First case, x is greater than y. So let's take x as 0.25 and y as 0.2. So root x will be 0.5. Here the condition is satisfied since 0.2 is less than 0.5, which is less than 1. So the condition is satisfied. Now let's take another case. In this, x is less than y. So let's take x as 0.25 and y as 0.4. Root x will be 0.5 and therefore 0.4, which is y, is less than 0.5, which is root x, and this is less than 1. So here also the condition is satisfied. So in both the cases the condition is satisfied. Therefore statement 2 is also not sufficient to determine which number is larger. Now let us combine both the statements together. So combining both statements 1 and 2, we get x square is less than y, which is less than root x, and this is less than 1. So let us take two cases. Case 1, x is less than y. So we are taking x as 0.25 and y as 0.4. So x square will become 0.0625. So this is less than 0.4 and this is less than root x, which is 0.5, and this is less than 1. So the condition is satisfied here. Hence x less than y satisfies the condition. Now let us take condition 2 in which x is greater than y. So we will take x as 0.25 and y as 0.2. Now x square will become 0.0625. So 0.0625 is less than 0.2, which is less than root x. Root x is 0.5 and this is less than 1. So in both the cases the condition is satisfied. So even after using both the statements together, we still cannot determine which number is larger. Therefore the correct option is option D. Even both statements together are not sufficient to answer the question. I would like to remind you that the questions like this can be time consuming. So in the paper it is usually better to prioritize other questions and revisit tough questions only if time permits. So if you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another CSAT PYQ. Thank you.